This 20 keyboard shortcut keys might help you while using Windows. 1. Control plus Shift plus T. Reopens recently or previously closed Chrome on your computer. It helps if tab close by mistake it reopens your tab. 2. Control plus Home. Beginning of page or document. This shortcut works on websites and documents. Want to go back to the beginning? Sure thing, Control plus Home will take you there. 3. Alt plus Tab. Switching between alternate windows. Have two different programs or browser windows open? Switch between the two flawlessly by pressing the Alt plus Tab keys. Once you do so, the alternate page will populate. 4. Windows plus C opens Cortana in your Windows 10. 5. Control plus Alt plus L. Reboot, Windows Task Manager. 6. Alt plus Print Screen. Create screenshot for the current program. 7. Alt plus Escape. Switch between applications on the taskbar. 8. Shift plus F10. Simulate right-click on selected item. 9. Alt plus Enter. Open Properties window of selected icon or program. 10. Holding Shift during boot up. Boot safe mode or bypass system files. 11. Holding Shift during boot up. When putting in an audio CD, will prevent CD player from playing. 12. Shift plus L. Delete programs, files permanently. 13. Control plus key. Automatically adjust widths of all columns in Windows Explorer. 14. Control plus F4. Close window and program. 15. Alt plus F4. Close current open program. 16. F2. Rename selected icon. 17. F3. Start find from the desktop. 18. Control plus Escape. Bring up the start menu. 19. Control plus Escape. Bring up the start menu. 20. F5. Refresh contents. Subscribe our channel for more amazing facts and press bell icon.